Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best CNMV regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The CNMV is the Spanish financial regulatory authority responsible for supervising and regulating securities markets in Spain. This regulatory body ensures compliance with national and European financial regulations to protect investors. It oversees the activities of Forex brokers operating in Spain, ensuring they adhere to transparency, fairness, and risk management standards. Forex brokers authorized by the CNMV must comply with stringent requirements, including maintaining sufficient capital, segregating client funds, and providing clear disclosures about risks. Traders who are searching for some of the best CNMV regulated Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best CNMV regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 US is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you're a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have HYCM. HYCM is a renowned global online trading provider that caters both to retail and institutional investors. Established in 1977, HYCM boasts a rich history in the financial industry, making it a trusted and respected name among traders worldwide. Located in London, HYCM operates under the regulatory oversight of reputable financial authorities, ensuring a secure and transparent trading environment for its clients. HYCM offers a diverse range of trading instruments, providing traders with access to various financial markets. These instruments include Forex, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and ETFs. HYCM's comprehensive selection of trading instruments empowers traders to build diversified portfolios and to seize opportunities across various financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the HYCM proprietary mobile application. Their account types include fixed, classic, raw, as well as demo and Islamic account options. Each of these account types provide traders with unique features and benefits, allowing them to choose the account that aligns best with their trading goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. HYCM is also dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge and expertise through its comprehensive educational resources. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, HYCM offers a wealth of educational materials to enhance your trading skills, which include webinars and seminars, video tutorials, ebooks, trading guides, market analysis, as well as a variety of trading tools, such as economic calendars and calculators, to assist traders in their daily activities and risk management. With these educational resources, HYCM strives to empower traders with the skills and insights needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. Whether you are just starting your trading journey or seeking to refine your trading strategies, HYCM's educational offerings are designed to support your growth and development as a trader. At number 2 on our list is XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CNMV regulated Forex brokers, we have HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated, reputable online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to order chartist, a virtual private server hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. Accounts are available on micro, premium, zero spread, and HF copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours 6 days a week, customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. HFM provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, and more. They also provide entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. If you are interested in any additional educational content with HFM. And those are some of the top 5 best CNMV regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.